Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Virtua Fighter 5 Ultimate Showdown. Let's start with the fundamentals. Virtua Fighter uses 3 core buttons: punch, kick, and guard. Mastering these is crucial for both offense and defense. Practice moving your character and blocking incoming attacks to build a strong foundation. Combining these basic actions will allow you to execute simple yet effective combos, setting you up for more advanced techniques later on. Once you've got the basics down, it's time to explore more advanced techniques. Throws are powerful tools for breaking an opponent's guard. Simply press punch and guard together. Evading attacks with well-timed sidesteps or dodges can create openings for your own offense. Each character also boasts a unique set of special moves, which are essential for developing your individual playstyle and surprising your opponents. Strategic thinking is key to winning in Virtua Fighter. Learning about character matchups helps you anticipate your opponent's strengths and weaknesses. Effective spacing and precise timing are vital for controlling the flow of battle and creating opportunities. Always observe your opponent's tendencies and adapt your strategy accordingly. This dynamic approach will significantly improve your chances of victory in every match. Consistent practice is the ultimate path to mastery. Dedicate time to the training mode to perfect your combos and experiment with new strategies. Reviewing your match replays is incredibly valuable for identifying mistakes and understanding what went wrong. Remember, every loss is a learning opportunity. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals to enhance your gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.